Okay, so this is a 13 millimeter, that's a 12 millimeter. So you're gonna take this 12 off to transfer it, right? Pull this off, you got an O-ring right there. Muy importante, very important, very important. Replace that O-ring right there. So I got a bunch of O-rings right here. I got a whole stack of them right there. I got whole kits of O-rings. You can find one that's the same size, change it out. And then pull that 12 off right there. You're gonna put this on here with your new O-ring, and then you're gonna reinstall those bolts. Okay? Then we're gonna put a new pulley on, which you see I have off right here. Alright, that was a pain in the ass trying to find a damn O-ring. It was just, I just had to like use an air hammer and hit it right here and shove it in there. And then this bolt didn't want to line up. So anyways, I finally got it in there. Just gonna spray that down with a little lube. Spray this down right here with some lube. Flip it over. Alright, we're gonna use this right here. This is gonna thread in, and then you're gonna hold the top and then spin the bottom one. So this is my favorite way to do the pulley installation. Got a gear wrench, 14 millimeter. This is long handle. You're gonna need something with some leverage. I got two big long punches that are going through the bottom of the pump and into one here. So I've got both of those inside my vice grip, holding it still. And then I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna crank it on down. Okay. And that's how we're gonna put it on. Sometimes you gotta hold the top of this right here, which is another 14, but it's not moving right now. You know, then you can always come down here and pour some, hit it with some lube and make sure this is going on. See, this look like it's going on a little crooked, so I'm gonna straighten it up a little bit. When I'm doing the installation, this is my setup of choice. I usually take two really long screwdrivers, put them down into the mounting bolt holes, let them come out the bottom of the vise on both sides. Crank it down, tighten it up. Get your long wrench right here, 14 millimeter with a long extension. And I'm just cranking it down. And you ever try to press one of these on, and you'll see that some pulleys are harder than others to press on. And they're just a pain in the ass, and they're just tough. And you know what I'm saying, just hit it with a little lube onto the and just keep on cranking. So you just gotta tough it out sometimes. Okay, so you know, you got the pulley back on, and I just put it in there, you know, just dropped it in there, you know, made the little 90-degree turn. It goes in real easy. I just put that bolt there, but really, you know, you need to put your bracket on, you know, of course, put your bracket on, then put your bolts in. I'm just holding it there momentarily, because I'm also going to replace that line. So, I'm just going to let it dangle there so I can get the line in easy. But I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, and just say, you know, the rest of it is just opposite of removal. So you're going to, you know, put your bottom line in, go ahead and thread it in now. Matter of fact, you might want to just do this right here, leave it loose so that you can move it, and then you can get that line in there real easy. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and put your lines on and then tighten it down. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes that bottom line is a pain in the ass to get in there, especially when it's, you know, kind of locked in. You want to leave it kind of loose so that you can at least get your line started. All right. So it's a 2003 PT Cruiser, similar models. This is a non-turbo, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like the videos, and like the video, whatever. Thanks for watching. Peace.